Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative. I want to say hello to everybody that's been following me, to new and to old subscribers. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And I want to say, just share a win that I received from Eboney hi Eboney, thank you so much, from Sharingmoore. So she sent me one of her packages. I won on her channel, so I'm going to show you the goodies that I won. And I got them a couple days ago, and I already DM'd her to tell them I couldn't get my video up sooner, but finally got it up. So first, I got me a look at this envelope. Don't you love that little scallop? I love this, pretty. And she sent me a beautiful, look at that. It says thank you, and it's very dimensional. I love that. And got the bling. Can you see that from the side, the dimension? Yes, love that. I will enjoy my gift. Thank you. So, let me show you everything that's in here. So, coffee lovers, this is a magnet. You always can use these, put this on the fridge. So, I got me a nice little coffee mug. And God knows around this craft room office, I gotta keep it with everything. So, let me show you the project. I'm gonna rip this up. And this is her print on the back. I love this. Share more projects with friends. I love that because she does a wonderful pun on her name, Sharingmoore. Her last name, Projects with Friends. And thank you for your continued support, Eboney. I love that. So I'm going to put her link below to her IG and to her channel here on the YT. So in here, got me some beautiful colors. I love this purple, yellow, green, and pink. Some of the colors that you don't hardly get to see too much, some enamel dots. You got these sentiments right here. You got some dimensional balloons. You can see that they're dimensional, and of course you got the stickers on the back, and that says happy birthday to you. And then look, so you have all the pieces right here to put everything together. So I will be putting that together. Thank you so much for that, and we all could use something to celebrate, so making that is perfect. So I will be putting that together, and then she threw in, boom boom, a nice die. Isn't that sweet? So thank you so much. And again, I will put her link below, and I will have fun putting it all together, and I will show you what I made. Alright, so I am back. I finally finished it. And I just want to let you know, she also sent me an envelope, which I really appreciated with it. I used all the embellishments that she sent me to make the gift card holder. She used the Stephanie Bernard die to cut everything out. And so here it says happy birthday to you. I love these dimensional stickers. And then that balloon is popped up right there too. And this is like a foam type of sticker stick. And then in here, of course, I put the heart. I haven't stamped it yet. So I'm trying to decide which stamp I want to put in there. But anyway, I put the cupcake, the other balloon here. I have 3 of them, but I only use 2 of them. And some of those enamel dots. And some of those enamel dots right there. And then this is where the gift card will go. So I have a gift card already made for someone's birthday. Yay. Got a couple of them in July. And then she also gifted me this die that she got from AliExpress. Oops. And this is a rosette die. So I just cut it out real quick. I didn't decorate it because I glued my 2 pieces together. You know, you're supposed to have one up, one down. I glued them both the same, but anyway, it still came out okay. But that was my fault, not the die. But anyway, so that's just wanted you to see that how big it is. And so that's a quick way to make a rosette. So thank you so much, because I owe some people some rosettes. So that was right on time. So anyway, here's her card. Check out her channel and check out her Instagram as well. So thank you so much, Eboney, for letting me win for the month. I appreciate it, and thank you for letting me have the sample so I can make my own and have it in my stash. I appreciate it. So take care, check out her channel, and subscribe to her. Alright, take care, God bless, and I dare you to be creative.